In Part 1, you learned about how you can use the and, or, and not Boolean operators to narrow, broaden, or refine your database searches. In this video, you'll learn about two other Boolean modifiers that you can use to refine your search even further. These are quotation marks and the asterisk. Let's start with the quotation marks. Quotation marks can be useful in narrowing your search. If you enter a phrase into a database with quotation marks, you are asking the database to search for results containing exactly that phrase. Without the quotation marks, the database will search for each of those words separately. Using the sample search from Part 1 of this series, we are searching for therapy and animals and college. You could alter your search to search for therapy animals as a phrase instead of two separate keywords, altering your search to therapy animals and college. This will be a much narrower search since you are now telling the database to find results that only contain the exact phrase therapy animals and the keyword of college. Now let's focus on the asterisk. The asterisk is a way that we can broaden our search and take into consideration the many ways we express a root word. Instead of telling the database to search for therapy or therapies or therapeutic, we can simply add an asterisk after the root of these words. This is called truncation because you are cutting the endings or branches off of your keywords and only including the root or trunk of these words. So, if you are searching for a word that has many variations, think of all the variations of your keyword. Truncate the word after the last shared letter and add an asterisk at the end. This is an easy way to broaden your search without having to include all variations of your keywords in your search. When you are using Boolean searching in a database, it is important to play around with your search. Try a narrow search first with quotation marks and the and operator as needed, and see what kind of results you get. If you get too few results and need to broaden your search, you can do so by using the or operator to add synonyms. Expect to try a few searches before you find a few good results. The perfect article may not exist, and the next best thing may not be on the first page of your results. To summarize, this video has talked about two Boolean modifiers, quotation marks and the asterisk. Quotation marks are used to narrow your search by telling the database to search for an exact phrase. And the asterisk is used to broaden a search by telling the database to search for different variations of a word. For more information about advanced searching in databases and for getting help with a research project, ask a librarian.